Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the license and preparing the environment. Sign into the Microsoft account tied to Office because activation links the product to that account. Once done, run an Office app as an administrator to allow activation changes. This prevents permission failures. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the activation server can verify your key. If you used a product key, have it ready. If not, check the account for a digital entitlement. Next, perform the repair and attempt activation. Open Settings, select Apps, find Microsoft Office, choose Modify, then run online repair to fix corrupted activation components. This often resolves missing license files. After repair, open Word and sign in with the licensed Microsoft account to trigger activation. If activation still fails, run Command Prompt as admin and use OSP. VBS to check license status, and finally, complete activation and address remaining errors. Open any Office app, go to Account, and choose Activate Product to finalize the link to your account. If activation is blocked, sign out, clear saved Office credentials in Windows Credential Manager, and sign back in. This removes stale tokens that cause failures. Make sure Windows is up to date so licensing components match. If problems persist, run the Office License Repair tool or contact Microsoft support with your product key and account info for assisted resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.